and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Michelle. In this video, we are going to discuss the feature of the Parent Classroom Dashboard. So let's log in to the members website by clicking on the Login button at the top right corner. Once logged in, let's access the Classroom Dashboard by clicking on Classes at the top navigational bar. Let's first look at the Assignments widget. By clicking on the double arrows in the corner of the widget, we can view all assignments for our students. So let's go ahead and do that. Once on this page, we can click on an assignment which will take us to the classroom homepage. Here we are at the class homepage, but notice how it's brought us to the instructor Jane Austen's class homepage. But we want to view our students. So let's go to the Switch User View at the top right corner here and switch over to the student. Once you're on the student's class homepage, you can scroll down and see the Assignment tab here. By clicking on an assignment, it will drop down into more information for that assignment. Back on the Classroom Dashboard, let's take a look at the Forums widget. Again, in the widget, there is a double arrow here. By clicking on it, will take you to all the forums for the classes. From here, if you click on a forum, it will take you to read that forum. So let's click on Adventures in Reading Welcome Letter. Here's the forum. If you want to add a thread, you can click on Post to Thread, or if you want to add a new thread in this classroom, click on New Thread. By clicking on New Thread, it opens up to a new forum that you can create. And notice that the category has already been chosen for you because you are looking at that class currently. Back at the Classroom Dashboard, if you're in the My Class Forums widget and click on the Post New, it will again take you to a page where you can create a form, but notice that the category is not chosen. So if you choose to click on Add a New Form that way, you will need to choose the class that you're sending the email to. Back at the class home page, notice we are now at Sally Austin's class dashboard, so we want to go back to the parent view. Clicking on the drop-down, we could choose Parent View. Choosing a grade in our Grades widget will take us to the class home page for that student. Scroll down a bit and click on the Grade tab. Here you can view grades for your student by period or by category summary. It will also show you if the grades are being weighted. Back at the Classroom Dashboard, we'll go back to the Parent View. And you will notice that there may be more or less widgets on your particular Classroom Dashboard as a parent. It all depends on what your administrator has placed there. If there's a widget missing that we discussed today, talk to your administrator about adding that to your Classroom Dashboard. Thank you for watching Homeschool Life's YouTube channel.